Okay, today we're going to make some leaf bowls and you're going to need some salt dough. If you don't know how to make salt dough, have a look on the channel and there is a recipe on there. So I've got a ball of salt dough. I'm just going to roll it out really thin so I can fit my leaf on it. Okay, so now I'm going to press my leaf in. I've been out walking in the woods and I found some leaves and I wanted ones that were really bumpy, so when you push them in you'll be able to see all the shapes on the leaves, all the stems, the vines. And I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to push it in. I might roll it down with the rolling pin actually. Try and make sure get all those nice patterns in. And I'm going to cut round my leaf to make a nice leaf shape. There we go. Make sure that's all pushed in. Push it down really heavy. You might want to put a book or something on top to make sure it really pushes in. I'll take that out. There we go. You can see all the patterns on there from the leaf. Right, and then I'm going to pop it on there. Let's make a nice little leaf plate. And we're going to pop that in the oven for a couple of hours to bake. And then when it's baked, we can decorate it. So I've put it in a bowl, a little dish, to make it into a bowl shape. You could use one of these little dishes that you get desserts in. That you get little chocolate puddings in, so you can put it in one of them to make a little bowl, and then we're going to put it in the oven. Okay, so I've got the leaf out of the oven and it's all cooled down now, and I would suggest putting a bit of paper or grease in the dish because it was quite hard to pop it out, but I managed to get it out in the end. Okay, and then I'm going to paint it with this. I'm going to make it nice green leaf. I'm going to put a little bit of PVA in, so kind of acts like a bit of a varnish and it makes it all nice and shiny. I'll mix that all up with the green. Okay, then I'll leave that to dry and then I'll do the bottom as well. Then it will all be done. So here's the finished result. It's all painted. So see if you can make one. And then my son decided to make one using lots of different leaves and just place them on top of each other before you baked it, and then painted them slightly different colours. So you might want to make a little collage of different shaped leaves.